Okay. What is your name?
اسمي محمد
Khaldi.
Okay.
Tell us what you think of your son's new life, and do you understand it? Are you proud of him?
بقول لك شو رايك عن حياة ابنك الجديدة هاي جاي يشتغل بعيد ويروح بعيد
بصدر أنا جايبه
I'm proud of him.
أنا מאוד מבסוט ואני גאה שהוא
I'm very glad
בדיפלומטיה במשרד החוץ.
he is doing diplomacy to the foreign ministry.
אפשר גם לסמוך עליו.
I can count on him.
שהוא מבין, הוא מושכל.
He understands, you know what is he doing.
מסתדר גם בארצות הברית ובכל מקום.
He's doing fine with everybody.
Do you miss him?
ואני מחכה ליום שיהיה לו חתונה.
That's
What?
embarrassing. And I'm waiting for the
מחכה
day.
ליום הזה שהוא יבנה משפחה.
Grandchildren or married?
Married. For the wedding, you said. You mentioned that. For the wedding.
ואז יהיה בשעה טובה.
October.
באוקטובר, בעזרת השם.
I have to translate that. Does everyone get that?
No. What?
One side.
No. Say.
He answered Bezrat Hashem. He answered the same way that one of the guys in Borough Park would answer. I know, nice Orthodox Jew. Like in Arabic, it would be Inshallah. So I say Inshallah, and he says Bezrat Hashem.
You know, one time.
Thank God.
Okay, one time in the past, you said to me, okay, you have to marry a Bedouin, not a Bedouin. I think he got I don't know what he wanted to say the word. He said, "Ish, please marry an American, marry whoever you want, but get married." That's all.
I guess the same thing. First, it had to be להתחתן עם בחור סעודתי.
What?
Yeah.
עדתייה?
כן, כן.
I didn't know that.
ואז מסורתי עכשיו ככה. And then, first I had to get married to someone who's an Orthodox Jewish guy, and I had to then it was okay, he's conservative, and then it's just like, just a guy. Jewish guy. And a guy.
We're in the same boat. We're in the same boat.
Does he have a pulse?
Do you miss your son? Do you want him to move back to?
מתגעגع אליו, אתה רוצה שהוא יחזור?
איך?
אתה מתגעגע על הבן שלך? אתה רוצה שהוא יחזור?
אני רוצה שיבנה במשפחה.
Someday.
זה מה שאני...
I want him to build a family. He can stay there, but I want him to
That's
build a
most
family.
important.
Yeah.
Last question. Tell us about your trip to the United States. What was your impression?
عرفنا عن حالك لما رحت على أمريكا. زرت أمريكا أول مرة.
אני אסביר לך.
قولوا بناس ما تقدر تاكل هناك.
אנשים שמה טובים, חיים בנחת, מילת לאט, אין עצבנות,
very calm, no tension,
אין מתח.
no like stress.
כן, שמה, ומכבדים את הזולת, מכבדים את האחר,
respectful.
פשוט ארץ נהדרת.
Wonderful country.
כן, ממש נהנינו.
We enjoyed it very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you and congratulations on raising quite a son.
أقول لك تدرب شيء قتلت بنته.